Hi everyone, this is Lynn, your real estate agent. And if you're looking for affordable, complete turnover with a carport area in Dasmariñas, Cavite, here's what I got for you. We are here in Wutam Residence. It have a 46 square meters of lot area and a 44 square meters of floor area. It also have a granite kitchen countertop and built-in cabinets. So you can also get this very spacious laundry area or the service area. So going back, we are now going to the tiled toilet and bath. And going up, we're now going to the second floor. So the second floor have two bedrooms and with wall partitions. So for the first bedroom, it is a master bedroom. It have the sliding window and the built-in cabinet. And for our second room, you can make it as a kids room or a guest room. It also have a sliding window and a built-in cabinet. So if you are interested, you can PM or message me or you can leave your contact information in comment section. Thanks for watching.